Okay, here's Kiwi with her babies, and they are 2 weeks and 2 days old. And they were pretty active on the table for pictures today too, getting up, trying to walk around. We've got advanced puppies this time. Huh, baby? Huh? Are you teaching them to walk already? Huh? Are you teaching them to walk already, Kiwi? Huh? That's a sweet girl. Yeah. They've been nursing for a while, so hopefully they'll quit and be kind of playful like Hannah's were. I'm hoping. That's little Misty climbing over everybody. She was just climbing over Magnus. He's our black and white with the most color. I think we've got Micah crashed out here. Let me see. That looks like Micah to me. Hey, buddy. Hey, to wake up. And this right here is Maylou. She's still sucking around. Yeah. Are they still sucking? Huh? Are they still sucking? Yeah. Hey, babies. Hi. Hi, Micah. Hi, Micah. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Come on. Come on. Oh, there he goes. Micah's going out for his little walk. Yeah, here's little Misty. Little Misty, yeah.
Hi. Hi. Yeah, you're gonna be perfect.
You just look like you're just standing. This is Magnus. Magnus, show your beautiful face. Then you can go back to drinking. Look at that face. So pretty. Yeah, so pretty. How about you, little girl? Would you come say hi? Look at that face. She got a really short nose. Really cobby little face. That's little Maylou. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah, being 2 weeks old, we're lucky if we get any activity out of them, other than this. Yes. Yes. They're all nice, chubby little puppies, so they're eating good. Mommy's giving good, rich milk, aren't you? Yeah, that's because Mommy's on really good nutrition. Yes. Yes. We spare no expense on our dog's nutrition because it is one of the most important factors to a dog's health. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Yep, they get a nutrient-dense food that's pure and clean, and they get a very specific salmon and pollock oil and vitamins. Yes.
What?
All right, so there you have Kiwi's babies, 2 weeks old.